channel. Today's video is a very special video. We are collaborating with the Moss family over at Moss Family TV. Today's video is one in a series of Fall Food Friday. I look forward to sharing more with you, but today is the first and we are making chicken and dressing in the crock pot. It's currently September 4th. It's 105 degrees with a heat index here in Georgia. So I'm going to make it really simple and easy so I don't have to heat up my entire kitchen. I can't wait to show you. Come on, let's get cooking. For my crock pot chicken and dressing recipe, I have baked a small pan, or actually it's a medium pan of cornbread here. I make it drier. I actually don't use buttermilk in mine because it gives it more of a, to me it absorbs more of the chicken broth. And here I have my chicken boiling in a bouillon cube, salt and onion powder, and I will actually use this broth to make my dressing. Okay, Aiden has crumbled up the pan of cornbread, and now he's crumbling crackers, because that's how in the South, that's how we make dressing. We crumble it with crackers, cornbread, and in the oven I have some bread drying out here. So I'll get that out of the oven soon, and my homemade chicken broth is ready to go in with my chicken. The chicken, I think because I rolled it, I didn't want to cook it all the way so it dry. I didn't want it to dry out during the cooking process, so I'm going to put it a little undercooked so it doesn't dry out inside the dressing. To it, I'm going to add the Kroger style mirepoix style blend and add that to it. That gives me my, I like carrots, so a little bit of celery and onions in there. A can of chicken broth here. Cream of chicken, I'm sorry, cream of chicken. My chicken broth is over in the pan here. All right. And to that, I will add my chicken broth. We are going to be full. Now, I know some people like to add sage to their dressing. My mama never added sage to her dressing. So it's kind of, I guess, the way you grow up. You know, whichever way you grow up eating dressing. Mama never added carrots to hers, but she did add celery, onions, a can of cream of chicken, and everything else. The only thing I'm missing is sage. We just never ate sage. So I'm going to stir that up a little bit more, and I'm going to grab some pepper here, and a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And I know my chicken broth has some, just a splash of pepper. We're not big pepper. I think that's going to be good enough. I may add a little bit more of this broth in here. I like a good wet dressing, actually. And to that, I will add my chicken. There's my sliced chicken. All right, I'll get this in the crock pot and I'll show you what it looks like going in. Okay, I've sprayed my pan with non-stick cooking spray. I've added my dressing to the crock pot and I'm going to cook it on low for a few hours. And I will show you the finished product. Okay guys, it's been 5.5 hours later and the dressing looks amazing. It is ready to eat. I have some mashed potatoes, creamed corn, and gravy. And of course, sweet tea. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I look forward to next Friday's Fall Food.